Yeah? Yeah, man. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Firstly, I'd like to say thank you to all my new subscribers, and I'd also like to say thank you to all my existing subscribers for the feedback I got on the previous video featuring this Audi TT and what I've done to it so far. In this video, we are going to get the big modifications on its way. I've got a boot full of parts, mods, whatever you want to call it, take you for a drive on the way to SE Motorsports. Then we're going to get the car on the ramp and get the work on its way. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment below. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Peace. Once this car is finished, woo, it's going to be on a next level. Oh my gosh! Honestly, the sounds that this car makes. This much fun, and we're not even running 300 brake. What's gonna happen once this car gets done? We're about a couple of minutes away from SE Motorsports. We are going to get this car on the ramp and yeah, start working out what's first. I need to get the steering wheel retrimmed. I want Alcantara, something like that on the steering wheel with the red line in the middle. You know the style. You know the style. Definitely need some brakes. You hear them squeaking. Okay, so we're here at SE Motorsport. I've got all the new upgrades behind me. I'm going to take you around step by step and walk you through exactly what is going to happen to this TT. Once this is all done and this car pulls out of this garage, I honestly believe it's going to be an absolute rocket. Start with the closest part to me, which is the front mount intercooler, the AirTech. I've currently got a eBay front mount, I do believe. Don't get me wrong, it is doing its job, but if I'm looking for that big power, the best bet is to upgrade the front mount. Moving on, we've got a clutch upgrade. We was looking at a VR6 clutch before, but it's a 5-speed. And obviously my car is a 6-speed, so we've gone for the TDI clutch 6-speed with a solid flywheel to handle the torque output. We move on to even more improvements of this car. So we've got the handling pack, courtesy of Powerflex, also distributed by SE Motorsport. We've got the dog bone mount, front arms, rear arms, don't want to bore you too much, we keep moving on. We've got an upgraded steering wheel, Mark II. I just think it looks a lot better with a flat bottom. Anyway, moving on. We've got a 4-pot big brake upgrade, Brembos, set of Brembos, and some discs. We have a forged AMK. It's done less than 15,000 miles since rebuild. Ko4 AET 380 turbo with a Relentless Pro manifold. Then we've got Supertech exhaust valves. Look, all the niggly bits I'm going to put in the description so you can see each detail for those who want to know exactly what has been done. But I've covered the most of what this engine consists of. So yeah, let me not waste any more time talking about the parts. Let's get the show on the road. Rasta Joe, you don't know, get to know, yeah? Man behind all of this.
I set up Jammy's team for you, yeah?
Yeah, man. So we said. Let's go. So the guys are here taking the BAM engine out of the TT. The front mount is off. The front bumper is off. I think it's just a few more bits and this engine will be out. Then hopefully we can get the new engine in with the new brakes and the setup. But yeah, I just thought I'd update you guys where we are at the moment. I've never seen my TT in this state, but It feels good and bad at the same time because I feel like my baby is in absolute pieces.
Not too bad. Looking good. Look at the turbo on this bad boy around here. The turbo's looking tired though. Oh yeah, this is it. She's out. And the new one will be going in. Good stuff.
Right, so we are done for the day. The new engine will be going in, and yeah, that's the exciting part. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash that like button. I want 2,000 likes on this video. What do you reckon? 4? 5? 5,000 likes on this video. This is not going to be the same, okay? Thank you guys for joining. I hope you loved the video. Man like Joe. Done for the day.
Nice video.
I'll catch you guys in the next video. The next video, like I said, the new engine will be going in, and hopefully we can get, maybe, just maybe, we can get the first start. Possibly, yeah, I reckon. The first start will be in the next video. If not, I'll delete this clip. No, I'm joking. See you guys in a bit. Peace.